So, our Bhaktivinoda Thakur is telling, বলিব এখন যাহা তাহা এই ভয় প্রতিষ্ঠা সা পাছে দুষ্ট করে. He's telling that I am going to tell something, to write something. But I am fearing, like Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami. When he was writing Chaitanya Charitamrita, he was fearing. It is so high class that very rare persons are qualified to read this. So, what should I do? I should not write. But again he thought, if I am not writing all these things, then what will be? It will
disappear from this world forever.
This world, these things. Also he thought, only like kokil, cuckoo birds, they takes only the manjari and sweetness, essence of mango. Crow cannot. They don't like. They like only neem rush, very bitter. So if I am writing, then swabhavata, naturally, kokil means bhakta, they will read it. And crow, like-minded person, they will not have interest in it. So I must write. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur is here. What to do? If I am writing, then pratishtha will come. And for Vaishnava it is very bad thing. एकथा प्रकाश नहीं करिबो बोलिया. I will not manifest
Express this idea.
This idea. What idea? He is telling. So I was thinking like this, that I should not manifest, to tell this very secret things to others. But again I remember the wordings of my Gurudev. Then I thought that if my Gurudev has ordered, I must do. অকৃতজ্ঞ হইলে ভক্তি সাধিবে কেমনে? If I am not
grateful,
if I am not writing all these things, what my Gurudev has ordered me, then I will be akritagya, ungrateful. So I must do it. So I throw out my shame and I began to write. O Gurudev, O Vaishnavagan, if I have done any aparad, offense, please forgive me. My Gurudev is Bipin Bihari Prabhu. In our parampara, Prabhupada had not given his name. Bhaktivinoda Thakur is given. Prabhupada was against these Goswamis. He put his feet on the head of Bhaktivinoda Thakur, who is like Gadadhar Pandit Radhika. So he could not tolerate. But what are you doing? Nonsense. You know that who is he? He is one of the Goswami, Gaurshakti Gadadhar, and he still you are keeping your feet on the head of Srila Bhaktivinoda Thakur. He rebuked and he ran away from there. But even Bhaktivinoda Thakur gave so much respect to his Gurudev. Bansi Badanananda, Bansadhar. His Gurudev, in the line of Bansi Badanananda, you know, he used to take very like a tree and to like a
This
flow.
person can lift it very hardly, and he can lift it very easily. A lot.
So, I took the order of my Gurudev on my head, and I began to write these Shlok Vicharite. Or Gurudev told that you should go on reading and try to understand. And Srimad Bhagavat is himself Krishna. Tamadi Devam Karuna Nidhanam Tamal Varnam Suhitavataram Apar Sansar Samudra Setum Bhajamahe. So everything will come in your heart. So, I began to write. In the meantime, when I began to write, at once, not dream, at once Sarp Damodar came in my spurti, like Radhika, due to Sri Krishna's spurti, Sachi Maya to Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And really Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to come and take. So in the same way, Sarp Damodar came and told, you must do it. Take prominent slok, essence of the sloks of Srimad Bhagavatam. All Srimad Bhagavatam sloks are prominent, but even you should take the essence of it. And according to Sambandha, Avidheya, Prayoja. What is Sambandha to Krishna? All these things. Avidheya. What is bhajan? Like Rupa Goswami had told, how 64 kinds of. All this avidheya and prayojan, Krishna premi prayojan. So select all these sloks according to subject and make a garland. And this garland will give in the hands of Radhika. And Radhika will give it to and Krishna will be very happy. He ordered me like this. Then, and after that, if you will do, this book will be very, very important. And all Vaishnava Samaj who wants bhakti, they will collect it and read and do according to this. And then he told also, I am explaining myself. First slok Srimad Bhagavatam. Janmadasya jata anvayadita tasya artho abhigya swarat teni brahmaridajyad kabaye muyant jat surya tejo bar midang jat vinmayos sargo ambisha dhamna swain nirasta kokam sattam. This slok is important. Whole Srimad Bhagavatam in this. All Srimad Bhagavatam, all Leela Katha, pastimes of Krishna, all Tattva in this. But it is so good.
Confidential. Confidential.
Confidential or it is Gambhir. Profound. Profound. That general devotee cannot understand. First I read these sloks of Srimad Bhagavatam and I read the commentary of Srila Sanatana Goswami, Jiva Goswami, Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur, here, there, but I could not understand what is the meaning. By chance, I read this book. The explanation done by Bhakti Vinod Thakur, given by Sarup Damodar. And easily I understood. So, he explained first slok and told that in this light you should explain all the slok. So, the importance of this book is what? That Sarup Damodar has guided him. And he had told the first slok. And he has told how to explain Srimad Bhagavatam.